It was given by Corina also. No.
Adila.
Oh yeah. Right, so we're gonna take the first thing in here. This bag is by Kundang Studio. Kundang Studio, I believe by Corina, Madam Corina. Yeah, Madam Corina or Kak Corina. So this was given by her. Then we have like a bit of a pencil box or pencil kind of case, I would say. So it's very pretty, very nice. It's a batik, so it's a batik kind of look, yeah, and a bit of a mixture of things. I would say just a bit of batik also, but I would say this is maybe a bit different kind of concept. Very nice to put like our stuffs in, or pens or pencils. I think that's good. All right, and then we also have, I think from Rotan. This was given by her also. I think Madam Corina. So this one also. So I think this purpose is just to put your plates in or your any jug that you have at homes to just put it at a proper place. Thank you very much. This is a very smells good. I think it's the bit about the coating and yeah, it's very clean. Let's move on to the next one. We also have a smaller one. Yeah, the toddler. So we have 3 of that. Probably I think this one. This is the homemade by Jili Rena. Jili, okay. Sambal made into a very liquid way, so you can just eat, any kind of thing. So sambal is actually shrimp, for those that don't know. So it's made from shrimp. I think this is very special shrimps, if I'm not mistaken. It's based on season, so you can't get it anywhere else. Sometimes it's very difficult to get it at the exact time. You have to go to the sea and find the shrimp. And I'm gonna try this one, of course. So this one is called as I would say the candy of gula apong, but in English, what is it called? Gula apong? Nipa, N-I-P-A. So it's made from nipa, nipa palm. So in Sarawak or Malay, we call it nipa. So I'm gonna try this one. It looks very nice. It's you cannot put it on the heat too much. It's a bit, it's melted a bit, but not at a bad state. So let me just eat this. Oh nice. I ate this quite a lot actually. Even the cameraman in front also eat this a lot. So it's very nice. Truly very nice. So as you can see, we already ate more than half of it. Alright, next. Thank you to Terrence for this amazing backpack. So this is called as
Kue Jala.
Kue Jala. Jala in English is net, or it's almost like fishing. But this is basically it's you go fishing. So there's a net. So it's a bit, but looks like net. It's like a net. Look like this. This is the Kue Jala. Looks very nice. We just have some of it. Very crunchy. Very nice. Get one bite more. So I have a very special. It's like a vest. So it's a vest by whom? So Tuan Vanessa or Miss Vanessa, Madam Vanessa, yeah. So she suit this. She made this herself. This is I think Iban, right? Iban kind of like a vest. So let me just open this. This is the first time that I open this. I haven't opened it yet. So it looks like this. So yeah, it's like a vest. So we have this very interesting, I would say, pattern of it. So the pattern. I'm not gonna wear this today. Probably for any Gawai Daya in future. We also have this delicious popcorn. I think this one was by Mom and Daughter Legacy. What was the name again? Helda. Helda. Yeah, Helda. Let me just get one. Very nice. Homemade popcorn. Very nice. Thank you very much, Helda. Next, we have like a tissue. I think this was given by also Madam Corina. No, Irene. Right. So it was made. It was given by Irene, Madam Irene. Thank you very much. I think it's a very fancy tissue, I think. And we also have another one from Helda. So let me open this. This should be popia seaweed. Put the seaweed in with the tortilla and they cut it into pieces. And yeah, and very nice. I think one of the best popia seaweed I tasted. It was given by Corina also. No.
Adila.
Oh yeah. So this one was given by Adila, Madam Adila. So she's a tailor. So she sewed this one for us. Thank you very much. I suppose this one could be a keychain. This is a special by Madam Patricia. Yeah, it's from Madam Patricia. Very nice bag. And also this should be a perfume, I think. It's perfume. Okay, very nice smell. Perfume. And also it's a hair oil for the hair. Yeah, it's just to make your maybe hair more, how to say, humid, I would say, not too dry. Right, so that's all. Thank you very much again to all the students to give me all these very amazing gifts. Truly appreciate it, and I will try to cherish as much as I can. Other than the food, of course, I'm gonna eat it and gonna be finished. And I hope to get more of the gifts. Give me more. Alright, see you guys on the next video.